Alright friends, good day. It's your favorite Facebook engineer Khalifah Tech. So guys, today I want to show you how you can actually know the date you created your Facebook account on your phone. So what you have to do is to go straight to the option here. So if you scroll down, go to your settings. Then you will make sure you scroll down to access your information. You click on access your information. So what you have to do, you can see so many information are here for you to access. So but on this note that we're actually here to check the date we created this very account, you'll go straight to profile information. So on your profile information now, you can see that your account, look at the top here, 20th December 2016, the date that you created your account. This is actually the date I created this very account on this, this very Facebook account. Here is all about, the stuff on Facebook on how to check the date you created your Facebook account and so many other information to be accessed. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, I suggest you like and share the video, comment if you have any question, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Thank you very much.